Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to see balance in PayPal application. First, you need to launch your PayPal application, and when you scroll down, you can simply see your balance account here. So as you can see, when I scroll down, my balance on my PayPal account is 0. Now, what if someone sent you a money and it didn't appear here? So how will you see your PayPal balance? So all you have to do is go to your wallet and then kindly check this rewards and activity. So for example, my friend sent me a money to my PayPal. So how will I check my PayPal balance, or how will I check if this money appears on my PayPal account? So all I have to do is to go to wallet and check my recent activity, or I can just simply scroll down to see the recent transaction for today or this week. By doing this, you can also see your PayPal balance. As easy as that. If you find this video informative, give it a thumbs up. See you again in our next video tutorials.